Welcome for one more tutorial. This one is going to be on HTML structure. We're not going to look too much into HTML. It's complicated, but just to give you a little bit of an idea of how HTML structure works, we're going to use this page here, the newsletter page, and just go to the source. And this is HTML. It's just a language that is used for web design. And the nice thing about Blue Griffin is it's color coded. That's good for me. I'm a visual learner. I don't know, maybe you are too. Everything in black here is text that is seen from the design side. So if we go to the very top, this month's newsletter, see that there? If we go to the source, this month's newsletter is in black because that's what we see. What we don't see is why this bar is the size it is, the height it is, why it's green, why the letters are white, why they're so big, why they're the certain font that they are. All of that has to do with HTML and CSS, which is another language that we're not going to really talk about. But I wanted to show you the structure only of the source of HTML. At the very top here of the page, we're letting the web browser know that this is an HTML document. So there it is. We've got the head here, which nobody ever sees except the MC Outreach title, which when you click on your browser, you will see right up here, MC Outreach. It's always good to put something in there instead of unnamed or unknown or blank or whatever. Put something in there. It's better that way, right? Okay, and then we've got the body. This is where all the text goes, everything goes that means anything. All the green are the tags. So we got the body tag. All I want to show you about all of this, I don't want to get into too much detail, is just that whatever begins needs to end. So let's look right here. Here's a paragraph. In this paragraph is the alignment of center. That's why this is in the center, not to the right or to the left. Oh, I just changed my spot. Sorry about that. Okay, we've got the alignment of center. We've got the font color, white. We've got the size of 6. We've got the text everybody sees. Now, the font is opened here. Let me structure this a little bit differently. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this in a real simple format for you. So there we go. Whatever opens has to close. That's all I want to show you today. So the paragraph, just looking at the paragraph, I'm just going to kind of isolate it out here a little bit. Okay. Oh, come on. Looking at the paragraph, inside of the paragraph is some font instruction, and then our text. When we're done with our text, that's that font, we want to close the font instruction. And then when we're done with our paragraph, we want to close the paragraph. If I type outside of this, Bob is my friend. If I type that outside, it's still in the paragraph, but it's not in the font. When I look at it, look, it's the typical font, not the other font. Does that make sense? I hope so. Okay, where's Bob is my friend now? I just lost it. Okay, Bob is my friend. Now, did you notice that when I went back to design view and then came back again, Blue Griffin automatically readjusted everything here. So it took it out of the format I had. If I take Bob as my friend and I put it within the font area, then when I see it, it'll be the same as the rest of the font. I hope that makes sense. That's kind of simply all I wanted to show you about that. Whatever opens needs to close. And the way you close it is you type the same thing but with this with this slash / there to close it.